Koan sir, after sa linog, wala ko kasabot sa akong gibati. Murag mablangko ko.
So this place is called Pansipanel. This is where the people were evacuated after the strong earthquake. So all the people that were affected go here to seek shelter and for safety. Since the people here were many, the people are crowded, the children and also the elderly easily get affected by some diseases like cough, colds, fever. Some of them were injured during the earthquake. So we really need medical attention here. We are very thankful and grateful for the Operation Blessing for coming to us to help us to soothe our medical needs and also psychological needs because all of us experience anxiety attacks.
Ana siya nga, kuan daw, normal lang daw. Magkaroon ng trahedya, kinahanglan daw relax. Dako akong pasalamat sa tanan anhin dire sa muang lugar.